right, adventurers, it's time for the 3-second challenge. Can you guess the animal behind me and unlock the wild fact?
Can you guess the animal in just 3 seconds? Let's go. It's an elephant. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. It's an octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. It's a cheetah. Cheetahs can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. It's a giraffe. Giraffes have no vocal cords and their tongues are blue-black. It's a shark. Sharks have been on Earth longer than trees and dinosaurs. It's a kangaroo. Kangaroos use their tails for balance and as a 5th leg. It's a penguin. Some male penguins propose to females with a pebble. It's a lion. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away. It's an owl. Owls don't have eyeballs, they have eye tubes that are fixed in place. It's a sloth. Sloths can take up to a month to digest a single leaf. It's a dolphin. Dolphins sleep with one eye open and half their brain awake. It's a tiger. A tiger's skin is striped, not just its fur. It's a flamingo. Flamingos are born gray. They turn pink because of the shrimp they eat. It's a honeybee. Bees can recognize human faces just like we do. It's a crocodile. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongues out. It's a platypus. The platypus is a mammal, but it lays eggs like a bird. It's a gorilla. Gorillas can catch human colds and other illnesses. It's a blue whale. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an entire elephant. It's a polar bear. Underneath all that white fur, a polar bear's skin is actually black. It's a chameleon. A chameleon's tongue is twice as long as its entire body. Mission accomplished. How many did you guess right? Tell me your score in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.